Welcome to Health Monarch. Today we will tell you about carrots. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which is converted to vitamin A in the body, promoting good vision. They are packed with antioxidants that help protect against cell damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Carrots contain dietary fiber, which aids digestion and promotes a healthy digestive system. The high potassium content in carrots helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels. They are low in calories and make a great addition to a weight loss diet. Carrots provide essential nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin K, and potassium, which support overall immune function. Regular consumption of carrots may help improve skin health and promote a youthful complexion. The fiber in carrots helps regulate blood sugar levels, making them a suitable choice for individuals with diabetes. Carrots contain compounds like phycalcarinol, which have been shown to possess anti-cancer properties. They promote oral health by stimulating saliva production, which helps prevent tooth decay. These are just a few of the many health benefits that carrots offer. Incorporating them into your diet can contribute to overall well-being.